All right, so in this example, we're asked to determine how many zeros there are in a function, and we're asked to do that by using the discriminant. So our function is going to be x squared minus 4x plus 7. So first things first, what the discriminant is it is b squared minus 4ac. And the way the discriminant works is that if it is less than 0, then there's no real solutions. If it equals 0, then there's one solution. And if it is greater than 0, we're going to have two solutions, where a solution here is where the function equals 0 or where the graph intercepts the x-axis. So first things first, I'm going to check the discriminant. I'm going to note that my a is equal to 1, my b is equal to -4, and my c is equal to 7. So if I throw these into the discriminant, I'm going to have -4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 7. And so I get 16 minus 28, which comes out to give me a -12, which is less than 0. And so using the discriminant, we've determined that this function has no real zeros. Now, we've done what the question is asked, but let's go ahead and graph it and see what's going on. So first things first, I should find the vertex for this. So I will go ahead and use Vertex Formula. H is equal to -b over 2a. And if I do that, I'm going to have -4 over 2 times 1. That's a +4 over 2, which is just 2. And then to get my k, I'm simply going to plug that into the function. So I'm going to have 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 7. And so that's 4 minus 8 plus 7. -4 plus 7, which is 3. So my vertex is 2, 3. And I'll go ahead and plot that about here. And if you look at the function, you notice that the number in front of my x squared term is positive. So that means this is a parabola opening upwards. And so you can see that if my vertex is all the way over here, and I have a parabola that opens up, it never has an opportunity to intersect with the x-axis. It's never going to equal 0. And so that makes sense that when we use the discriminant then to figure out how many zeros there are, we get a negative value, which means there are no real zeros of this function. And that is this example.